guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita, and I am so thrilled to have you here today. So today I am showing you how I mix my oils to achieve more volume and retain length. So guys, this is what my hair looked like as at December 2019. My hair was super scanty. I had just trimmed I think I cut out about 3 inches, yeah, and then I blow dried my hair before doing that. So as you can see, my ends were still not as great and my hair was still scanty. My hair was just recovering from heat damage and color damage, and I never imagined that I could get my hair to be healthy. My hair couldn't hold coils, I couldn't do a twist out, it would just sponge up, and my hair was completely dead. But now my hair can hold twist outs, braid outs. I can blow dry my hair and still feel like I have volume in my hair. Like, what? Okay, so this is what my hair looks like now. And guys, I really wish there was a product you could just apply to your hair and see results instantly, but through my hair journey I have learned that these products don't do that to your hair. And lately I've been working on just being as natural as I can be with my hair, that is using less and less store-bought products. Yeah, as you can see in some of my videos where I put DIYs using natural ingredients for deep conditioners, protein treatments, and all whatnot, that is what has helped me. And another thing is the oils that I use in my hair. So without wasting your time, let me show you how I mix these oils to get my hair to be healthy, thick, and long. Okay, so first on the list is olive oil. I put 2 spoons of olive oil in my oil jar. Now, olive oil is great for reducing scalp irritation, softening the hair, adding shine to the hair, preventing dandruff, preventing split ends, moisturizing the hair, and promoting hair growth. I use extra virgin olive oil. So our next ingredient is coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil. Make sure it is not in a bottle because when it solidifies, getting it out will be a problem. Okay, so I put 2 spoons of coconut oil to my jar, and coconut oil is great for thickening the hair. It adds shine to the hair, tames frizzy hair. It helps to reduce thinning, and it helps thinning hair to grow. It softens and conditions the hair. It stimulates hair growth. It revives damaged hair. It also protects the hair from environmental damage and sun damage. It is a great light protein treatment, and it reduces protein loss, reduces breakage, and prevents scalp issues like lice and dandruff. So adding to this mixture is Jamaican black castor oil. I'm also going to add 2 spoons of that as well. Jamaican black castor oil is famous for thickening the hair. It also treats dandruff, moisturizes the hair, promotes hair growth, strengthens the hair, increases blood flow to the scalp, and prevents hair damage. It reverts scalp issues like dry and itchy scalp, eczema, bald spots, alopecia, etc. Now our next oil is black seed oil. Also going to add 2 spoons of that to my mixture. Black seed oil is anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial. It kills viruses and fungal infections in the hair and scalp. It regrows thinning edges. It helps to seal in moisture, reverts baldness and shedding, stimulates hair regrowth and growth, and promotes blood circulation. Also, it prevents graying. Then my favorite is the neem oil. I'll add 2 spoons of neem oil to this mixture also. Neem oil is a great antifungal oil. It is antimicrobial and antibacterial also. It conditions the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, soothes frizzy hair, reduces dandruff, and it fights and reverts graying hair as well. So it is a great oil. Another oil I am going to add is my moringa oil. Now moringa is packed with fatty acids, vitamins and proteins, so it is great for the hair, moisturizes the scalp, it strengthens the hair, it fights split ends and promotes hair growth. It also retains the natural hair color. So hello. Now we are done with all the basic oils. I'm just going to add some essential oils. I'll add 5 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is great for promoting hair growth, increasing blood flow to the scalp, and preventing hair loss. Last but not the least, I'm going to add tea tree oil to this baby boy. Tea tree oil is antimicrobial and antiseptic. It is great for unclogging hair follicles. It removes buildup and dead skin cells from the scalp and promotes hair growth. It also prevents hair loss. So yeah, but it is really potent, so I just add 3 drops to the mixture. It has a concentrated smell as well. Then I give this a good stir and voila, ready to use. So I just put this in my little container. So I use this quantity for 3 washes and to re-moisturize my hair between washes. So yeah, I think it is quite cost effective if you ask me. Anyway guys, so that is one of the ingredients, or one of the things that I do to add volume to my hair and to retain length in this hair. As you can see, my ends are no longer as spongy, and well, I blow dried my hair, it still has volume. I got a trim, my hair still looks good, and you really want to try this. Don't forget to come back with your comments when you do, and voila, that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, drop your girl a comment, check out my other videos, and of course click that bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. Thanks guys, see you in my next video. I remain Rita Ralph, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.